Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making maple walnut cookies. So to begin we need 1.5 sticks of butter that have been softened to room temperature. And to that we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of dark brown sugar. We're going to cream these together. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract as well as 1 egg and blend this all into our butter sugar mixture. And then we're going to add the good stuff. We're going to add 1/2 cup of pure dark amber maple syrup. You don't want to use the fake maple syrup for this, you want to go for the real good stuff. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. We're also going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon for a nice spice to this cookie. So we'll combine all of this mixture together, and then we're going to add 1 cup of chopped walnuts that have been toasted and cooled, and we'll blend those into our dough. And once our dough is nicely combined, we're going to scoop these into 1.5 tablespoon portions of dough, and we'll roll them into a ball. And then we're going to top our cookies with 1/2 walnut. And we're going to bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And here's the finished product. If you like this recipe, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.